Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button to join the Diva Squad, and make sure to like this video if you love house tours and Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day decorations, and make sure to hit the gray bell so you don't miss a video ever on this channel. Okay, so like, gray bell, and subscribe if you do. I love you so much, and Valentine's Day kisses. Mwah, kisses. That was me kissing you guys behind the scenes. Okay, let's get started. So these decorations are pretty much all from Dollar Tree. I love them so much. Okay, and I hauled this yesterday for you guys. So if you want to see me hauling it, you can watch yesterday's video. I haul all these decorations for you guys. Okay, so I went to a new Dollar Tree this time that I haven't gone to before. And yeah, we had this love sign with the metal heart there with the arrow through it. Happy Valentine's Day, follow your heart. Very cute. Okay, we have this other love sign, except it's white background instead of red. Love. Very cute. We have this one that says love each moment. Okay. And then let's go to the bathroom. And then, so this is going to be a mix of Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. I decided to just put everything on, just up all at once so I can enjoy it for a longer time. This one's super cute. Leprechauns welcome. And then I have little cute little hats that say luck on it. And of course, it's all glittery and cute. Because if you're not glittering, what are you doing, girl, right? Okay, let's back away. Okay, let's go to my room. So my room, we have the St. Patrick's Day hat. I put one of the hats there. And then I put this one over here. Irish Wishes and Shamrock Kisses. Didn't do too much in my room, just a little bit. And then I put a Valentine's Day garland there. This is the fuchsia one, the purple one with the red hearts, which I think looks really, really pretty. So I just hung it on there. Gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Okay. And then over here, I just put this one. This is a truckload of luck over there. Okay. So over here, I put the other two garlands here. The red one and then the red with the white hearts. I just wrapped it on the mantelpiece. Well, the railing, I guess. And then I have some more V-Day stuff here. Welcome. XOXO. Very cute. Heart you to the moon and back. I love that. Matches my hair. My hair is blue now. If you didn't see it, go watch my last week of videos. My hair is blue. Anyway, love with the heart. And then the heart with the arrow. Because Cupid has hit me with love. And then the last but not least is Wall of St. Patrick's Day. Welcome with the 4-leaf clover. And then we had the leprechauns dancing. These leprechauns are so cute this year. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Lucky with the gold clover. And then I love this. Honestly, the St. Patrick's Day decorations at Dollar Tree this year are really, really good. They definitely stepped it up this year for sure. Love that. Shamrock, Aaron Go Brock. St. Patrick's Day, Rainbow, Leprechaun, Kiss Me, I'm Irish, Pot of Gold, and Lucky. I must be Irish because I love kisses. Welcome with the Leprechaun in the gold, Pot of Gold, very cute. Another hat, Shamrock hat, and then a happy St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, that's everything, you guys. Don't go crazy, but you know, a little bit of action here. I might get more stuff maybe. I know they have those cute little like gnomes that I saw some people talk about. So I might go back for more, but I don't know. I don't think I want too many more things. I like how it's like a little bit like less. I don't usually go too crazy except for Christmas and Halloween and fall. That's usually when I go like, you know, overcrowded. But for the other holidays like St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, summer, Easter, I tend to do not as much. Maybe Easter a little bit more. Excuse me. But I like to do a little bit more like subtle. You know, this for me is subtle, in case you're wondering. But who knows? If I feel like it, I might go back and get more. And of course, I'll haul it and, yeah. Anyway. But yeah, this is all I have so far. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you're new to join the Diva Squad. And hit the gray bell so you don't miss a video on this channel. Like, gray bell, subscribe if you do. Kisses. Mwah! Irish kisses. And V-Day kisses. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time. See you for some fabulous. Bye, guys.